Number 1 is this collapsible sink that I have here. I've used this to like just wash myself. It's kind of like a small sink. It works and then it collapses to this. And it has some handles here. Not a deal breaker for me, but it has them. I use this quite a bit, especially when I go camping. The second hack is for safety. I did not come up with it. So I took this idea from Sophie Hilaire. There's an Instagram account. I'll just link it in the description below. So basically the seat belts from the front seat, I run them through the door handles. And I buckle them in. And even if somebody manages to unlock the doors, the seat belts won't let them get in. Thanks, Sophie. The third hack that I have are these metal buckets all around the van. Not only I can put stuff in them, but I can also hang stuff on them because they're that useful. I got them at TJ Maxx. You know how they have stuff like that laying around. I have one that's on the door, so when I open it, I have all the spices there and it's really, really handy. They also give the van a rustic look, which I really like. This brings me to my fourth hack that I have. That is the soft pocket walls. They basically hang on both side doors. One of them is for the kitchen utensils. The other one is kind of my nightstand. I can put stuff in there, even my cell phone, wires, my notebook, whatever. The nice thing about it, they're kind of flush to the door walls, so they don't protrude too much in the interior. In the past, I have been talking about Ford Econolines or Chevy Expresses that come with the barn doors. If you get a chance to get a van with the barn doors, do it, because you can obviously utilize the side doors when you open them, rather than having the sliding door where it's just dead space when you open it. You can't really use it much. You can maybe get away with side pocket walls. I'm not really sure what the gap is when you open the door. Number 5. This is a no-brainer, I'm guessing, for some people, or maybe not. I don't know, because I've had them for so long. Is these tiny hooks that I have all around. You can probably see my fairy lights. That's what they hang on. I can hang my towel in the corner there. I even have my bungee cord paper towel holder, coffee pot, and stuff like that that hangs on one of them. My water bottle can hang on one of them. Whatever I find, they are very useful. Number 6 on the list is this small vent. I'm sure you're gonna think, okay, Stefan, everybody knows about a vent. What's nice about this one, it's very portable. I can clamp it anywhere I need to. It has a battery. It doesn't have just the battery, it's like a rechargeable lithium battery. It's nice because I can take it outside. I can pretty much move it wherever I want. It's probably not gonna move any of my facial hair. I only have one. I got it off Amazon. It wasn't very expensive. I forget, to be honest with you. It's really useful when I'm in the van and I'm editing and it gets really steamy in here because I edit videos very intensely. So this really helps. I do have links in the description of the video, so you can click those. Hopefully they still sell it. If not, they definitely sell fans just like this one. Pick one up because it'll definitely change your van life style. I guarantee it. Number 7 are these magnetic fog lights. The reason I say magnetic is because they have these magnets on the back, and all around the van I have these metal coins looking things. They're metal anyway. They're stuck on there and they work really well. They're also adjustable. I'm not sure if you can pick that up on camera. It goes lower and it goes higher. They're also rechargeable, which is what I was looking for when I bought these lights. They don't have any other colors. I think this is called the soft white. Sometimes I used to use them when I filmed so I can put them in my face. A really good hack, very inexpensive. I think a pair was like 20 bucks, $25, something like that. And they sit right in my nifty metal bucket that I have. Next hack is my tea kettle. And I know what you're gonna say. Okay, Stefan, now this is getting ridiculous because we all have tea kettles or something that we heat to make coffee or tea. The cool thing about this is that it heats water very quickly. Rather than have the expensive water heaters to take a shower or take a bath or whatever, or just heat up water, what I do, and I actually do this all the time, I heat up some water here, I'll put some cold water in my nifty bucket here and then combine it, and I have warm water in a matter of like 5 minutes and I can wash myself. It's not only for tea and coffee. This thing is heavily used. Seen better days. I might have to invest in a better one. Hack number 9 is the spray water bottle. I use this every day, obviously, to wash dishes. I sometimes spray myself in the face to wash my face. This is super nice to conserve water. I always look at van dwellers or like van life people, and they're always, oh, I don't have enough water. I carry 40 gallons of water and still not enough. I mean, conserve water. Water is a really hard thing to carry in a van because it's heavy and it's also hard to get sometimes. Yes, I do have a 7-gallon water tank underneath my sink. That lasts me forever because I have a foot pump. I'm not gonna include that as my hack. Maybe I should. Since I'm talking about water conservation, I'll just throw that in there as a bonus. Between this and between my foot water pump, doesn't have a motor. Obviously it's a foot pump, so you just press on it. I can conserve a ton of water. The 7 gallons of water underneath my sink, I only use that for washing stuff. I don't actually drink out of it. I do have 2 separate water jugs that I actually get from the water dispensing stations. I use that for making tea and drinking and stuff like that. I never really get people with like 40-gallon water tanks that are struggling to have water for a week. It might be just me, but hey, get yourself one of these. It'll definitely conserve water. I'm pretty sure you were wondering from the thumbnail what the spray is. This is peppermint essential oil. Why do I want peppermint essential oil in my van? Supposedly, this keeps away pack rats. They don't really like peppermint or the smell of it. I'll spray in the engine bay all around where I know it's not gonna get hot if the engine's running. I also use it for where the suspension is at the tires, just to make sure they don't try to get in through there. It's been working so far. So if you have problems with rodents, this is a great hack. I have a bonus hack. I just thought of it right now. I have a drawer that's reserved only for dirty clothes. Not a lot of people think about that when they do van builds. It's really nice to have anything that you can designate it for dirty clothes. That way you don't have dirty clothes laying around your van. Check out this video for more van life related content. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.